Hi, it's Neil at Tool Stop TV, and I've got this Metabo SDS Plus cordless 18V hammer drill. Just going to show you what it does. Okay, so in the box you've got your instructions as usual. 2 batteries, 2.6 ampere lithium ion, air cooled from the charger. Now the great thing about Metabo power tools is that the batteries, the charger and the chuck come with a 3-year warranty. Now that's unique to Metabo, so it just shows the quality. Charger and then the drill itself. So this is just recently charged. It's a 2-mode, so it's going to do rotary drilling and rotary hammer. Okay, it's got a side handle on, which has got vibration protection here for your safety. This drill here is kind of mainly aimed at the people like we thought satellite dish installers and people like that. Comes with a strap here that goes round there, so it means you can tie it around your back when you're going up the ladder. It's very compact, but yeah, it's quite fast and powerful as well. So it's ideal for doing things like 5 up to 12mm holes. It'll do more than that, but that's what it's ideal and that's what it's built for. It's got a safety clutch on it. Again, it's got a variable speed trigger, variable speed hammer. It's going to do 4,900 blows per minute on the hammer mode, and it's 1.8 joules.